Hi everyone, I'm Jackie. So today I will continue my lesson on this subtopic, atomic structure and the periodic table. So today I will mainly focus on periodic table. So in this lesson, we will learn what is group number and what is period number, and what do these numbers represent in the periodic table, and state the characteristics of elements in the group 18 of the periodic table. Alright, so this is the periodic table, and it's very important in chemistry. And so if you look column, right, from top to bottom is column, then this is the group, right? So the group number represents the column, right? The group represents the column. So in group number, we use Roman numerals to represent them, all right? So if as for example, group 1, we use the Roman numeral for 1, I, right? This is group 1, this is group 2, group 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, and 18. We use Roman numerals. And then on the other hand, if you look from left to right, it's the period. So period number represents the row of the periodic table. We use normal numbers like 1, 2 until 7. Okay. So group number is the column of the periodic table, right? So it represents the number of outer shell valence electrons. So this is the importance of the group number. It represents the number of outer shell electrons, or we say valence electrons. For example, like group 1. So in this group, the elements will have 1 electrons in the outer shells from hydrogen to francium. So for example, like lithium, sodium, and potassium, the outer shell I highlighted in red is 1. So they are in group 1. Right? Another example, group 17, the elements will have 7 electrons in the outer shells. The valence electron is 7. For example, like fluorine, chlorine, bromine, okay, all that. So as I highlighted in red, the outer shell, the outer electron is 7. So they are in group 17. So this is the very important group. So I need to mention group 18 of the periodic table. We call these elements as noble gases, or we say inert gases. Right? Why? Because they all have full outer electron shells. Like helium, it has 2, full already for first shell. Neon, it has 8 for second shell, so it's full also. Argon is 8 electron in the third shell, it's also full. So what do you mean by full? It means that it will be stable, no reaction with other elements. Alright? So we call that as inert gases because they don't form compounds with other elements. They will stay what they are. Like helium will stay as helium, neon will stay as neon. They don't form compounds easily with other elements. So they are stable. Alright, so we learn about group number. Then now is period number. Period number, what does period number represent? It represents the number of occupied electron shells. For example, like period 1, we have hydrogen and helium. So element in this period 1 have 1 occupied electron shell. Like hydrogen, helium, it all has 1 occupied electron shell. So they are put in period 1. For another example, period 3, like sodium, chlorine, magnesium, all these elements, they have 3 occupied electron shells. You can see 1, 2, 3 for sodium. Chlorine also 1, 2, 3. So they are in period 3. So this is the summary of the lesson just now. So why we learn periodic table? We need to understand the chemical physical behavior of elements so we can apply in daily life and utilize in products and technologies. For example, like sodium is group 1 period 3 element. It can be found in table salt. And the sodium compounds will be used in soap, detergents, and cleaning products. And helium is group 18 period 1. Because it's very safe, it's stable, don't form reaction with other compounds easily. So it's very safe, it can use in balloons, and because it's non-flammable, right? So it can be safely used in balloons. It can also use in MRI machines as cooling medium. So this is my lesson today. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.